Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive into the best products on the market today. If you're looking for a high-quality, durable, and fun boat tube kit, then you're in the right place. Today, we're reviewing the Airhead Rebel Towable Kit. This is, without a doubt, one of the best boat tube rope kits available. Whether you're spending your day on the lake or taking a ride behind a boat, the Airhead Rebel Towable Kit promises an unforgettable experience. Let's start with the basics. The Airhead Rebel is a one-rider towable tube that's built for both performance and comfort. It's designed with a 54-inch diameter, offering just the right amount of space for a thrilling ride. With its 4 deluxe handles and neoprene knuckle guards, it provides excellent control and comfort while you're out there on the water. No more worrying about slippery grips or discomfort during your ride. These features are built with your safety and ease in mind. Now, let's talk about the construction. The tube comes with a heavy-duty, full nylon cover, ensuring it holds up even during the most intense rides. The speed safety valve is another key feature that makes inflating and deflating the tube quick and easy, so you can spend more time on the water and less time setting up. Whether you're planning a family day out or a fun adventure with friends, this tube kit is the perfect companion. The Airhead Rebel Towable Kit also includes a rope, making it even more convenient. The patented Quick Connect feature allows for a quick and secure rope connection, making the setup even simpler. Plus, it includes a quick-filled 12 volts air pump to get you out on the water fast. If you're concerned about storage or portability, don't worry. This kit is designed to be compact and easy to store, so you can take it on all your boating trips without hassle. Plus, with the reliability of Airhead's craftsmanship, you can rest assured that this kit will last for many seasons. In conclusion, if you're looking for a durable, fun, and easy-to-use towable tube kit for your boating adventures, the Airhead Rebel Towable Kit is the way to go. From its sturdy build to its comfort and safety features, it stands out as one of the best options on the market. Make your next boating trip one to remember with the Airhead Rebel Towable Kit. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews like this one.